the channel, guys. Today's video actually is being brought to you by none other than Auxito, the world's leader in LED lighting. Guys, it's what, 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
And look.
It's already dark.
It's dark as can be, man. This is what I warned y'all about when we did the LEDs on the Focus. You know, winter's coming soon, so we're gonna jump right into this. This is your girlfriend, her 2020 Nissan Sentra SV. Pretty car.
Got the hood pop. We're looking at how easy it's going to be to get to the headlight, which is super easy.
I know on the Altima, you have to pull the front bumper, but this one you don't. Nissan was actually nice to us and made it fairly easy. You will need H11 bulbs. We're going to do low beams today, and then probably a couple weeks do the high beams.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We're going to try to take this car. Y'all just got the windows tinted a couple weeks ago before we went to the Fox gathering.
Yep.
But we're gonna make this car more new. I mean, how can you make it any more new than 2020? But to add
LEDs
all the way around, inside, outside, the backup, I mean everything, reverse lights, turn signals. We're gonna just throw it all at it.
Yeah, man.
And you're talking about updating that stuff too.
Oh yeah.
Because me personally, I think the blackout game's getting a little old, like you said it too.
Yeah.
So we'll look at doing that later on.
Yeah, this might be kind of like a little build car, like a daily build car.
Wait.
You know, get Brittany riding in style.
There you go.
Make her stand out a little bit.
Exactly. I mean, Mom's got the Murano.
Yep.
I got the Mustang. You got Betty White. All of those have all LED lights.
Mm-hmm.
Except for this one, man. We need to get it up to date. So
yeah, man. Let's get into it.
yeah, let's get it cracking. You want to show them these bulbs real quick? All right, guys. When you open this, you're gonna get this is your package. Packaged very well. It does come with this little Allen key.
And zip ties.
Yeah, and the zip ties. And the instruction manual. But we've done so many of them, it's a no-brainer to us. Now, what they want you to do is to unscrew this little screw right here. Lock this in first, and then you can actually adjust these, but these should be dead on where we want them.
Yeah.
And these things are gonna be stupid bright too.
Yeah, man.
So, you want to cut to a picture of, or actually some video of just the incandescent bulbs real quick.
Yeah.
Because we're going to show you what just the incandescent looks like, what one LED to the incandescent looks like, and then both LEDs. And you'll be able to tell the huge difference when we switch this over. So let's get at it. Let's get moving. And hey, Jacob.
What, man?
It's been a long time, but alright guys, so this one's going to be a little bit tougher. This is the reason why we didn't show you that one over there. Can you see that where my hand is?
Yep.
Alright, literally all you do is right here on this tab, push up and push down.
Do it again. Do it again for me.
Yeah, will do. So you see the tab lock in. So you just lift up on the tab and push down. So this tab right here, you lift up on, push down. That unplugs the light. The light's not going to come out without it.
You just twist it.
Twist the bulb. There's your incandescent. Now I've been putting them in here just in case. Even when Brittany trades this in, she'll probably let the bulbs go with it because it helps it. So we're going to put the new bulb in. Slide it into place. Now you may have to kind of walk this one around a little bit to find your locking points. See how it fell right in? Locked in. Now I'm gonna trace back this wire. There we go. Now all we got left is this plug. Now this plug has a little nipple right there.
You just line that up with that same locking tab,
Yep. That's right.
and you fish it down from down there. Yep.
This one's got a longer lead than the other one did. The other one was really, really tight, the passenger side.
Yep.
So, locked in. Now I'm gonna take
those wires
back here, and now it's time to. We're gonna leave this light on real quick, but we're gonna hit this, and then I'm gonna kill this light.
Yep.
So this is both of them.
Holy crap. Super bright.
Well,
Super bright. Holy crap. There we go.
here, let's open the garage door.
Yeah.
What can I say? I can't say no more. Guys, Auxito. Go to their website, auxito.com. Check out their lights. Put your vehicle in. They've got a list of pretty much from nose to tail on LEDs for your vehicle. Now, some of these newer ones, not quite, because they're catching up just like the rest of us, like where I work. But what do you think?
They're super bright.
Dude, like,
Yeah, they're awesome.
I mean, you could always go back and look when we had one incandescent compared to one LED, and it's just mind blowing. These cheap lights that they put in there. That's why we go with the LEDs.
Yeah, now I don't have to worry about Brittany hitting a deer because she'll be able to see it from a mile away.
Exactly. So another good thing me and you were just talking about that you had brought up.
Yep.
You do in detail, you have to see this a lot. The yellow on the headlight lenses.
Yeah, that sucks.
You got a lot of cars running out there with the yellow on the headlight lenses, and the reason why is because incandescent bulbs are so hot. Matter of fact, you're actually supposed to use dielectric grease when you put new bulbs in, when you put new incandescent bulbs. What happens, they heat up, they heat the clear coat on your headlight assembly, and it's just like your car. Like, you don't take care of your car, you don't wash it, you don't wax it once a year, the paint starts to fade, the clear starts to fade. Same thing with the headlights.
Yep.
Keep that from happening, you put LEDs in. These got built-in fans. They pull the heat out. Dude, what more can you ask for? Plus, you're gonna see a heck of a lot further away than what you were with your incandescent bulbs. Do we need to say more?
It's a very good investment.
It is.
That's all you have to say.
It is. And especially right now.
It's a smart investment.
Right. Guys, just cut to the chase. Nice LEDs. Go to Auxito. Go to the world's leading LED manufacturer. Get you some lights. Quit playing around. And guess what?
What, man?
This is going to conclude this video.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean,
Huh.
what more can we say?
I don't know.
I mean,
Auxito. Auxito. Aftermath Garage.
dream big. Once again, Bill, we want to say thank you for reaching out to us.
Yeah, man.
We'll be in touch soon. I can promise you that. So, guys, for real, everybody out there, thank you for watching. We're here to help you, and we want to be as positive as we possibly can and help every one of you in the future. So, that being said, thank you. We love you. And remember, dream big. We'll see you next time.